Alright people, we are here again for another monologue. This monologue is a monologue slash vlog. You know, last time I spoke about mindset and how you create an environment to clear your mindset to have a positive one. And me I go carry it to where me go to clear my mind in California. So it's like sunset, you know, so me I go at the beach. My favorite place that's for go. So let's go and look for LA and see how the place is nice. But people, we are take the back streets, you know, because peak hours now, traffic time, and me live at LA long enough now to start like know the places them where me need for turn. So right now me depend like just a normal community, a regular middle class, working class neighborhood. But if you don't realize how they house them like smush together, but the road them wide, and one thing LA go always have. You see that? That little palm tree there? Every part of LA have some sort of palm tree. But we are in Koreatown. One of the beauties of America is that because here is like a melting point of so much countries, we have different cultures everywhere. But you know, like the weirdest thing of foreign is when you drive behind a self-driving car. I don't know if you know like the Jaguar car them. Make the people them see it. So you see that car here? There's nobody in there. Nobody not drive that car there. Me not really trust it. Comments. Wanna believe in them thing there? Cause me nah driving on a self-driving car, you know. Look how it actually. The light. I must somebody in that with one remote control.
Nobody in there.
Empty. Not a soul in the car. One of the beauty them with LA is that you never ever know who you can run into or when you even are gonna end up on a freeway. Me are gonna enter the freeway now. Alright, so look how in some places, because remember me say me I go Santa Monica, you know. Me I go Santa Monica, the beach, which is the west side of LA. So me I take the 10 west. Look on traffic. Some man feel like say traffic there at Jamaica. This is not Trafalgar Road traffic. Different level of traffic is. The beach is where me go for clear my head. The beach is where me go when me stress. This place to me super. Who I call me? Me nah brother call me. Let me see what I say. CJ.
Yeah.
Where I say?
Help me fix this.
What, something for your camera?
The ISO.
Yeah, so put it at 1.4 and then turn up your ISO. So if your ISO there 400 there in the dark, try turn up your ISO to like see how 800 or 1000 look. It'll work. It work then?
Yeah.
Alright then, a little bit.
Alright, later.
So we're on Ocean Boulevard. The famous Ocean Boulevard, and oh me so lucky. Oh me so lucky. No man, me feel lucky man. I don't know. Oh me so lucky. But perfect parking. People me lock up, so in America you always I go pay for parking. That's how I promise you. So right now, alright, $5. Imagine you left a yard and you're not going away yet. Yeah, but basically, we're there, Santa Monica Boulevard. This is actually Ocean Boulevard. A lot of people, if you play Grand Theft, you're going to be very excited to see what I'm going to show you right now. I take off my jacket because it feels too organized, but now I'm free, so we're going to just make you see the place. And here I jaywalk. I record myself and broke the law. That's crazy. Gaza man crazy. People come here, come take a look on this. Where we are right now, you see, if you play Grand Theft Auto, you are going to know what I am talking about. So, yo, me not like me cool, but me just like it. Oh no, remember this? Remember this? Me not even feel like them see what go on right here. So watch out. Oh my! Right now, we just want press triangle and kick the boy there for him bike and take it and wheel it. We are going downstairs, so we are going to make the people them see the place. I kind of like when we come here because we get to see like regular people and how them just go about them day-to-day life. Although me a freeze now, but I swear to you, as a Jamaican, when you're there them place here, and you can't just come, because if me never did I wear jeans, if outside never cold, I wouldn't dress like this. Tell me, say, I know GTA this. Tell me, say, you never see this in a Grand Theft. That's supposed to look amazing. Tell me if you don't feel motivated already, people. People more want to comment, because also remember me I do a whole heap of new things. And I feel like more relate to the people who follow me, more relate to the people who support me, especially the people who buy me ticket them or who dip on my YouTube channel from before me even start stand-up comedy, before me start do what me I do now. I really want to see Dale, the person. People, this is the beach, and make them see the bicycle tracks. This is the bicycle tracks. Now, if you watch my Buju Bantan music video, you see me like I ride the bicycle on the beach. Boy, when this done, the man really like I said, Dale, I live soft life to Jesus Christ. But people, look on this. Big old stinking Dale. Thiefing Pitney Dale. Live a foreign. And I work hard a foreign. Because you can't live a foreign and I do nothing a foreign, you know. What people live a foreign and I do nothing a foreign. So, we are walk down to the pier. The thing is we reach late. So here is where I normally go. I'm gonna get my bicycle. When I'm gonna rent my bicycle, I'm gonna ride the bicycle. Ride the bicycle. Comments, don't do this to me right now. I would ride the bicycle from here all the way to Venice. No. let me explain something to you. One of the reasons then why we love this so much is because I think it was July 7th, 2018. I come here and I rent a bicycle. And I ride the bicycle down the strip and I get an email from my phone. And when I get the email was from USCIS. I tell me say my green card approved and my interview date are in like 2 weeks. And me get it while me I ride the bicycle. So while me I ride the bicycle out or so, there's always good news. Trust me, always. Something good are gonna happen after this. This probably gonna be like my most viewed vlog, best edited vlog, everything. So even when I feel like me I stress out, you know, I try to figure out what I want. Make you always like just relax and just go do. People may all start try things. Let me tell you this. All netball and what is volleyball? Yeah. Hi guys. Sorry. But yo, when I come out foreign, come play netball, badminton, golf. I say a thing where say yo, when you're at the airport, you buy a bottle of water for $7. I so me feel like your environment important to you. I feel like when the environment important, I feel like you can change how people view you, how people accept you. That's why sometimes in a wrong a man will run off. You know, as long as you sort out yourself eventually, but I just feel like when you switch your environment, you come out of just all of the bad vibes around you. I pray, I say I wish this for everybody. I wish this for everybody. You will feel better. And it might not mean come out of your country. It might just mean maybe move to a different community and you feel a different vibe. Because no matter where I got you, somebody I got you worse than you. Like, me look paradise as paradise. And a man they right there sleep on the floor, homeless. So, me I look on it like the greatest thing for me. That's why I'm telling you how serious mindset risk taking is. Because just look on the ocean, look. Watch out. Trust me. Oh. So people want to tell me, so in America, especially here, when night come, them tell we as a signal like, yo, we need to leave. So the whole purpose of me doing this vlog was for kind of make people understand how what me do when me in a like a bad situation, when me feel like me I go through something where talking to somebody now go help me. You know, assistance from somebody now go help me, because at the end of the day, I believe that if you go through something, it is best to figure out what's going on in your brain first. Because if you don't figure out what's going on in your brain first, no matter how much help you get, you might end up back at square one. Because some of the time it can just be a mentality. I tell you now, and me alone get that feeling here from the beach. People come here, but come here late, feel like shooting purposes, but it's a nice vibe. I never know, maybe because I'm a Jamaican. You see my foot? Maybe it's because I'm Jamaican. But listen to the sound. You know the sound? You see them wave here? Them wave here is like, John, no, she breathe again. But even business. You the sound? Jah know the rent due. With even business. Jah know me I go homeless. With even business. Yeah man, them places make us leg off for your problem, man. That's why I wouldn't acknowledge I wouldn't advise them homeless man they live right or so. Because I don't feel like it's gonna make them move. But people, I feel like I show no what I'm supposed to show no. I feel like it was a nice little vibe. I got cut left Uno and I got cut left the cameraman. Then probably don't want you know why I call him cameraman. I cut left the videographer and I got take a little walk. Because I actually did stress out, you know. But it better me come out here so when I stress out because it's just that me just can't stress out here. It have to just go away. So go and look for the place, enjoy how the place look, and now go for a walk. I'm out of here. Don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe, tell me if you don't like what I do. Show appreciation. I'm out.